It's pretty much what came after Nerf. Always just pretty much looking for good artwork, a docs team. Just looks something's having a lot of talk going on. Just kind of wanting to stay with what seems to have a lot of following at the moment, a whole lot of community uh, giving back through the funding of the purchase of minting of the NFTs. Um, that give to other communities, and actually has some sort of utility in a game in a P2E environment or something similar. Having the shared venue is a very interesting way to be able to get everyone together that you needed virtually, I guess, from multiple places. Um, it could kind of possibly even revolutionize how some of these trade shows are done, with the ability to, I guess, leave the main hall and then go look and see some of the associate vendors, and have links there, or even if there's, any way to do a virtual discussion or anything of that sort. Um, this really could be a pretty good sized game changing event on, not only this crypto and Web3, but just going forward for a secure, decentralized way to go ahead and kind of replace what we did with Zoom through all of this, except go next level, and actually go to, a larger platform, a larger format to be able to do something similar like a trade show, or something like that, where I think this could actually make a huge difference. Especially with the current COVID situations over the last 2 years, would give it a great way to be able to explore some of that, get some more people in that at this point may have travel restrictions, or have chosen to not get vaccinated, and those things may hamper their ability to attend similar events going forward. So, great move. If I win the challenge, and get a smart venue, first thing would just be doing all the research on how that could be used, and just try and find good ways to market it and see how we can start getting this thing, this entire platform in use, and serving people and their needs. This is still pretty far out. 5 years from now, I would imagine metaverse is going to be pretty big part of how business is run. Some of the intricacies, the back and forth of data, you can kind of decentralize where some of the cloud storage is. That there's just a lot of things that I think that even in 5 years we may not be completely scratching the surface on what can be done.